All right, everyone. Good morning. It's 5:15 actually, 5:15 a.m. New York Eastern Time as I'm doing the video. So it's pretty cool. I'm very excited. Yesterday was amazing. It was a day that turned out better than I expected, at least for the bank sector. I thought the bank sector would tumble even more, but then again, how much more, right? I got greedy and missed out yesterday. FRC, First Republic Bank, yesterday was on my Discord. It was the hottest topic on the Discord. People in my Discord identified it right away before pre-market. They were talking about it. I'm getting in. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. They almost doubled their money. So they did really well. If you were in my Discord, you would have known about it. You would have gotten an idea about it. You would have probably gotten in. Who knows? And it was amazing. So yeah, but some people are still in. All right, I was in the Discord. Obviously, I was with them. But I thought that it would go lower, and I was waiting, and First Republic went down to like $17, and I thought, just let it go. I'll go to 10. I'll get it at 10. Well, I got too greedy and I missed out on the run. It went from 17 after to $40 in the same day, right? But look at this, PACW, another bank that fell a lot. Right now, you're looking at the pre-market chart right now that I took a screenshot of. It is going up right now at 5:15 a.m. It's up there, and as of March 10th, we have more insider buying for PACW at an average price of $15 and let's say 17 cents. So insiders bought more of this at a higher price than what it is trading right now, because right now it is trading pre-market at $11.70. It's already up 20%, and I think that PACW will gain more. Now, for the time being, I have something that I want to say about the bank sectors. I think that the bank stocks will go higher, but today we also have CPI data that we might want to pay attention to. Of course, the ones who win are the ones who take risks, without that meaning that you should always take a risk. But unfortunately, the truth is that if you take a risk and the risk works out, you make more money. And there are people who are risking right now and betting on bank stocks. Some of these bank stocks, though, I want to warn, are going to do share dilution. They have to. Their balance sheets are not healthy right now. So at some point they will. I don't think they're going to do it, though, right now, because SVB tried to do share dilution. They tried to do an offering, and guess what happened when they tried to do the offering? They had a bank run, huge one, right? Panic. So I think the banks will avoid doing share dilution now, but at some point they will. So those who swing trade these stocks, I think, not all, but for some of these stocks, you're better off swing trading them. But PACW, very interesting one. Obviously, I think, in my opinion, should rise. First Republic Bank also up there right now on pre-market hours at 5:15 a.m. It's at $38.34. Bank of America at $29.36. You know what? Out of the three so far, PACW, FRC, I like BAC better. Bank of America took a much less of a hit than the other banks. I think it's a more solid bank. I think it's better, has a better balance sheet. It's a stronger bank. And here is something that people may not have thought of. People think that First Republic Bank is going to go back up to $100, $130, what it used to be. Maybe that can happen. I think along the way, the First Republic Bank might do share dilution. But at some point, we might not be surprised, and you might not, don't be surprised if you see First Republic Bank being acquired, being a buyout target, right? And if that happens, Bank of America, this stock will soar because it will become even stronger. This is just my opinion, so doesn't mean I'm right. CPI watch today, everybody. All eyes on inflation data for clues on what the Fed rate hike will be. There are different opinions on the Fed rate hike. Right now with the banking sector, people think that the Fed's going to go soft and say, well, because the banks are failing, we're going to pause the rate hikes. Well, if the Fed did pause the Fed rate hike, it would cause a mini, not a huge, but a mini bull run on the markets, right? Which would be good for investors. But is the Fed really going to pause the rate hikes? I don't know. They've been so stubborn so long that I highly doubt they will. Investors await the latest inflation data, which will be released later in the day today, for clues on the Federal Reserve's future monetary policy and progress so far on the disinflation process. February consumer prices are expected to rise 0.4% month over month, 6% year over year, which would mark the smallest increase since October 2021. And markets are now pricing in a 52.4% chance of a 25 basis point hike on the Fed meeting next week, 47% probability of no hike at all. And so let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that there's going to be a hike or no hike? I will hope that there is no hike. That would be amazing. But because I see that the Fed is extremely stubborn, I'm guessing they're going to do a 25 basis points hike. And some of the banks that have fallen a lot, like First Republic, well, also Western Alliance, people were talking about it on my Discord and got into that, made profits big time. People also talked about PacWest on my Discord. They made money on that. If you want to join my Discord, the link is in the comments section below. And Key Corp, guys, I've been talking about Key Corp since last year. Now, admittedly, my first video on Key Corp was when it was $18.22, I believe. And I did a full video review and analysis of the company in 2022, and I still like the company. I love this company. I think it's a very powerful company, but it took a hit also along with the rest of the. But that's not bad actually. If people have cash on the side, seeing strong companies take a hit for no reason, kind of. Customers Bank Corp, QBC, UBI. What an amazing! I did a video on that stock when it was like $23, and then we went all the way up to $70 on that one. That was a good run. And also today, everyone, don't forget, we have initial public offerings. Some of you might say, who cares about IPOs? But hey, look, AIXI has been stunning. Day trading opportunity since it IPO'd. Stunning. We pre-ordered it at $6.80, sold it at nearly $8 a share. One person in my Discord sold it at $8 a share. On the first day it went public, we made money on that. And ever since then, it's been going very easily predictable up and down certain points, and we've been able to get in and out. So some IPOs are really good for day trading, let's say, or for swing trade. Others for super long term, but none of these here that I see, NYX, NYX, I don't think it's a long term. Then we also have Bridgeway Omni Small Cap Value ETF going public, ticker symbol BSVO. This one I like. First Trust Bloomberg Inflation Sensitive Equity ETF, ticker symbol FTIF, is going public today. And Inspire Technology ISPR, that's trying to go public. I did a review video on that one also. If you want to check it out and find out who Inspire Technology is, that is going to try for like a third time now to go public. Will it go public today? Also on NYX, if you're interested, I did a video review on that one also, and you can find out everything about this company. It is going public today.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have a good trading day today, everyone, and take care.